Welcome to my channel, PeekAboo-AI Surveillance. I cover how AI is used in video and audio surveillance. If you're new, please subscribe so you don't miss any news or information about AI surveillance. Links pertaining to each tutorial may be in the description below for you to check out. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. Imagine walking into a bank, denied access to your money because an algorithm didn't recognize your eyes. This isn't science fiction. It's the new reality of modern global finance. We're dismantling the myth of the anonymous transaction, tracing how biometric checkouts turn every face into a digital credit card. Learn how banking infrastructure silently integrates facial mapping, criminalizing financial invisibility. Withdrawing cash becomes a high-stakes surrender of personal sovereignty. Your face is now your permanent credit card, whether you like it or not. Banks rush to replace ATMs and tellers with facial scanning AI. Anonymous cash is dead. We reveal how your biometric data is traded for convenience while privacy vanishes forever. So, what is biometric banking? It uses unique biological traits like facial recognition, fingerprints, iris scans, or voice recognition. These verify user identities for secure, password-free access to financial services. AI enhances security, prevents fraud, and streamlines transactions in mobile apps, ATMs, and in-store payments. 72% of consumers prefer it over using a PIN number. Utilizing biometric data requires strict protection by financial institutions to ensure privacy. Some banking systems store biometric data directly on the user's device rather than a central server to reduce risk. Here are some of the primary downside risks of biometrics in banking. Unlike a credit card number or password, a user cannot change their face, fingerprint, or iris scan. If biometric data is stolen, it's compromised for a lifetime, allowing for potential identity fraud across platforms. Malware like the GoldPickaxe trojan can steal facial scans to create synthetic identities. Fraudsters increasingly use spoofing and deepfakes with advanced AI to bypass biometric systems. Bias and discrimination. Facial recognition often has higher error rates for women and people with darker skin. This can lead to discriminatory access to services or higher fraud rates for these groups. Possibility of sharing or selling biometric data to other organizations without consent. This happens. Their data is no longer under their control and at greater risk of getting stolen. Banks face high costs to implement secure, robust systems that comply with local regulations. This requires significant investment in infrastructure. Ask yourself, is your financial institution ready to invest fully? Many thanks for checking out my tutorial. All links, if any, will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss any important AI surveillance information out there. Check out the thumbnails floating around at the end for similar content. And do not forget, PeekAboo, I see you now.